Police Corporal shot dead at his home in Old Harbour, St. Catherine. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A policeman was shot dead at his home in Old Harbour, St. Catherine on Saturday morning. The deceased has been identified as Corporal Kemal Main, who was assigned to the Kingston West Police Division. It is understood that the cop's firearm was also stolen during the incident. A high police presence is currently in the area as crime scene investigators process the scene. Links 007 TV will have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.